President Ibrahim Traoré just spent $300 million on a stadium to bring football back home. Burkina Faso's Ibrahim Traoré just launched a world-class stadium in Ouagadougou. After years of insecurity, the country can finally host international matches again. Built to FIFA standards, this stadium is more than football. It's about pride, peace, and power. From dusty fields to bright stadium lights, a new chapter begins for football in Burkina Faso. The first official match kicks off September 2025, and the nation is ready. Traoré isn't just leading a revolution. He builds stadiums to prove it. Even football legends are taking notice. This stadium is putting Burkina Faso back on the global map. It's more than a game, it's unity, it's vision. It's the future of African sport. $300 million well spent. If this makes you proud of Burkina Faso, say it loud in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more.